Hi everyone, this is your friend Sabha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an account in Scratch and how to download the Scratch offline editor. But if you're looking for coding, there's nothing coding in this video, so if you want to learn coding you can check out my other videos. So let's begin with the Scratch, but before beginning I just want to give a brief introduction of what the Scratch is. So Scratch is a programming language. It's a programming language. It's a block-based programming language, and it is developed mainly for kids, but it can be used by anyone. Like I'm using it since last 3 months, and I found it very interesting. The best part of it is, for me, it is you can make games on it. So there are so many parts. Like you can make stories. So many things you can do. So as I have told you that Scratch is a block-based programming language, so I just want to explain what the block-based programming language is. So block is nothing like when you make an account in Scratch and you are going to do coding. You can see there are a set of blocks or coding blocks are there which you can use or drag and drop on the screen, and that's it. That's the coding part of Scratch. But the block which you are dragging and dropping, there are certain set of instructions which are running behind those blocks. So the block-based programming language comes from that part, that instead of running those set of instruction, you are just dragging and drop only the blocks. So it makes the programming very easy, and that's why this language is used for kids. So now let's move towards how to make an account in Scratch. So first of all, you have to open this website, that is scratch.mit.edu on your web browser. After that, you can see a join Scratch icon is here. You have to click it, and you have to make your username, your password here. So let me make a username here. So it is available for me, taken out. So that's the most difficult part, that you have to select a username which were not taken by anyone, because usually the crazy ones took by everyone. So let's try some other. Alright, okay, so that's it. Yes. And the password okay. So after selecting your username and your password, remember create a username and password which you can remember, or otherwise write down somewhere so you can remember it. Next you have to select your country, and then your month of born, your birth date, your gender, your mail ID. If you don't have a mail ID, you have to make a mail ID in order to make Scratch account. Okay, right now I have an account, so I'm not giving the information to it, so I'm just going back and I will sign in from here. After joining the Scratch, you can sign in from your account. So I'm just signing in. So yes, that is my Scratch account, and I hope you have also created the Scratch account. So congratulations, now you have become a Scratcher. So yeah, after making a Scratch account and after coming in the Scratch world, you have become a Scratcher. So now let's begin coding, but before coding, I think there are certain things like Scratch offline editor, which is must before starting coding, because in case if you don't have an internet connection, and if you have an idea or if you have a project, if you want to create it, you should have a Scratch offline editor. So in order to download it, you have to just scroll down the page. Don't see these feature things or feature projects. What are these? Don't bother about it, because these are nothing. These are the projects selected by Scratch team based on their criteria, like their uniqueness and whatever, and they are going to change it every day or every week. But think about it that you can make a project which is going to display on this screen, because this screen is shared, like these feature projects of Feature Studios, these are coming on every Scratch's screen. So it might be possible that your project or your idea is going to come on it and everyone is going to look on it. So now let's just scroll down the screen, and the download support, there is download section. You have to click it, and there you can get the Scratch Offline Editor. Right now I'm not doing it because I already have it, but so you have to do it. Just install the Scratch Offline Editor on your PC, on your laptop, and that's it for this video. And if you find anything useful in my video, please press like icon. And if you want to check out my other videos on Scratch coding, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.